Hello, good morning, everyone. It's so nice to be here with you again. Tanya here, founder of Glamour Academy, where your success is our priority. Guys, today I have so much going on to tell you, and we have a special at the end of the show today where I take you dive into one of our classroom. We literally have ombre and also the lash course going on right now. But before that, I still want to be here with you to give you a little bit tips here and there, and especially the most important tip that I wanted to give you is 5 rules to success. Before I come into there, I also wanted to give you previews of what we're going to give away. It's going to be the 0.07 mix lash for those that are just coming into the lash extensions. This is a volume lash, guys. Now we have a new way of drawing these prizes. It's going to be a random rolling, so you can put your number in right now. Okay, just get your number in right now, and at the end of this 10 minutes that I'm giving you, we're going to drum roll. I actually do a drum roll, and the number is going to be randomly picked for you. So get your number in right now, and all of those that are in here with me right now, go ahead and follow us, and or like, or give us a heart. And most importantly, I want your feedback. That's right. All of you in there, I want your feedback. I want to know what you think about what I am about to give you, to share with you. It's important because I literally don't want to feel like I'm talking to, an empty space. But if I know someone who out there and, giving me feedback and letting me know of, hey, I like that topic and I like what you're talking about. Maybe next time we can talk about this. Okay, or talk about something else that interests you, because I'm here to share with you, guys. So let's get back to what I want to share with you. There are 5 rules to success. First one that I want to talk about is be authentic. I believe that being successful takes process. Guys, I am sitting here right now. This moment, it takes process. I just don't sit here and talk to you freely and be very, easy about this. It's hard for me sitting up here and communicate with you and then trying to, put myself into perspective. The camera, the light, trying to remember what I said. It takes process to be where I am. I remember taking me back to the very first day that we first go on live, and I'm froze in front of the camera. I was like, I don't know what to say. I don't even remember what's my name. So, be successful. It takes process, and do not be afraid to make mistake. Be authentic. Be who you are. And during that process, I make mistakes. I also remember when I have to pronounce the word, and I say, okay, we have a lot of formula. What? And then my staff go, what? What did you say? What is formula? And I said, no, yeah, formula. But really, the end, it's formula, right? And I finally learned it. And I was like, I am so embarrassed. I got it completely wrong. So in the end, my message is that you can be authentic. You can learn from your mistake. If you are in the lash industry or the brows industry, you are allowed to make mistake. And the best thing is that learn from that mistake. So for me, from then on, I would not say formula. I would say formula. And I totally get it. So guys, be authentic, okay? The next one I want to talk about, number 2, is do it all. What I mean by that? To me, when I work on something, I promised myself right in the beginning. It's, being in the state of wanting to give to everyone it doesn't matter, a course or a knowledge. I want to be the best at it. I want to do everything that I can. And especially right now, I understand that you don't have, financial in place, your timing's not in place, your support system is not there. However, if you think about it, if you try and put every energy that you have, give it all you can in the process, you can do it. Yeah, I remember, when I first started out in the industry, and I said, I love this industry. When I come into this industry, I want to give it back. I want to give it all. And I want to do everything. I want to absorb everything that is there for me, that I can do it so I can give it back. And I'm at this point where I feel that I still, even though I'm sitting here, even though we have courses going on, we have training going on, I'm never stop staying the same place. I'm always wanted to seek, because I want to have it all. I want to get it all so I can give it all. Okay? So that's do it all that you can. The third one is love more. Wow. What is love more? Why do you love more? So for me, I remember having this one client coming in, and she said, well, Tanya, I love getting this volume lash in. I know that it makes me more beautiful because I have this interview going on, but I can't afford it. So what happened? She trying to negotiate where, I only have 85, and the whole fees cost for that volume lash is $150. So in the end, what I did is that I said, you know what? I love what I do, and if it makes you happy and be perfect at your interview, and if you get that interview, what you pay me is priceless. That alone is already making me successful. And for that, I put my love into her success. Money is not an element at this point. It's for me to be able to open up my my chance of offering someone. That's a success. So I believe that if money it's worth nothing if it's not being able to buy an opportunity for someone. I hope that makes sense to you. So love more. Give whatever, all you have, to be able to give that love and open hearts for that person. Fourth one is always give your best. What do I mean by that? I remember when I start, opening up the lash studio, and I was really sick that day. Sick. I was having a lot of allergies. My nose is running, and I have full schedule. I have 10 appointments that day. I cannot call it off. I can't. So I'm stuffing up myself with all these medications and still have to be able to get out of the bed. I feel awful. My head is heavy. My nose is running. So I can't let these clients down. And it's not anything, but it's, a code of becoming an allergies. So I prepare myself and I said, you know what? I am going to put everything in, wear my mask, coming in, give myself 100% for these clients. Why? Because they take out their time. These clients schedule way ahead of time. It takes 2 weeks to schedule. And so I can't let them down. I have to be there for them. I wanted to always give my best to them. So I'm coming in, even though I feel horrible inside, and give 100% of myself. And what happened if I can't, when I come back, I better put 120% of myself in to compensate for that loss. So there you go. Always give your best. Okay. The last one that I wanted to give you. Hi, before I come into the last one, guys, if you are just coming in here with me, go ahead and follow my live right now. Give a thumb up, a heart, share what I've just share with you, and drop in your number right now. We have a new drawing system, guys. So it's going to be a random drawing at the end of this show here. And don't forget, I have this special show for you right at the end of this live. So don't go away. To stay with me. I have one more success that I want to share with you. But go ahead and draw in the number right now, okay? The last rules of success that I want to share with you is you are what you believe. What do I mean by that? Let me take you back when I was a little girl, when I was back in my country where I wear a hat. I don't know anyone familiar with the Chinese hat. When I was 5 years old, my mom directed me. She said, Tanya, you can only make the rim of the hat. You know how the hat has different sections and then different skeleton until you get to the last major rims that holds the hat. So I was designated to do just the top. I was 5 years old. So she teach me how to sew, how to make the bamboo hats. And I did. So my job is to make that hat. And I keep saying, and my mom had asked another person, which is older than me, she's about 12 years old. So she's strong enough to make the major rim, right? And I was like, Mom, I can do that. Let me make that major rim, that big rim to complete the hat. She said, no. You're going to start with the top here, which is the very small rim first. And months after month, and I know I can do that. And I know that I believe. And I'd say, I can make that rim. And that is the ultimate goal. Once you make that large rims, you complete the hat, you're a winner. So my whole point is that if you believe in yourself, you can do it. If you think you want to do that, or you think that you have to do that, even though your heart is there, but you don't have the belief in you, that's going to be a problem. You have to believe in what you're doing. Also, example, if you're on your way to believe, let's just say, you get to, for me to get to that rim, there is a wall going on. And you go, oh my God, I wanted to get to that side, but this wall here, I don't know if I can do it. You believe you can be there, but this wall here. So this wall here will define your belief. It is the one that's stopping your belief. So you must get over that wall to get to your belief, to be successful. Hey guys, it gotta be in your heart. Believe in your work, and that's the ultimate successful.